Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Dear children, we have learned divisibility test. Let us try to test our learning. Here is a number for you. Is it divisible by 3? How can we know? Without actual division? Yes, we can recall a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. This is going to be your answer, isn't it? Yes. Now my second question is, what can be subtracted from this number to make it divisible by 3? If we subtract 1 from 19, it is 18. If we subtract 4 from 19, it is 15. If we subtract 7 from 19, it is 12. If we subtract 10, it is 9. Different answers we have. My next question, what is the smallest number that it can be subtracted from 3646 to make it divisible by 3? You have only one answer, isn't it? Let us check it whether it works or not. -1. And what you get is 5, 4, 6, 3. Now let us check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. Isn't it? Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So what do we see? If you are asked what can be subtracted, there can be different answers. If you are asked what can be the least number, that is the smallest number that can be subtracted from the given number to make it divisible by 3 or any other number, you have precisely a distinct answer, a definite answer. Let us take another example. Now, my second question. Find the least number that can be added to this number or that should be added to this number to make it divisible by 3. Again the same thing. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Now what can be added to it? You can see 19 plus 2. In case of addition, you will have even more answers. In fact, you will have infinite answers. Let us enjoy it. 21 divisible by 3. 19 plus 5, 24 divisible by 3. 19 plus 8, 27 divisible by 3. 19 plus 11 divisible by 3, 30, that is divisible by 3. 19 plus 14, what I am doing? I am adding 3 to this. 33 divisible by 3, and you can continue with it. But if you are asked to find the smallest number that should be added to the given number to make it divisible by 3, your answer is 2 and only 2, isn't it? So try to understand the given instruction in the question clearly. That is of utmost importance. Now let us come to the point. We have got the answer plus 2 by adding 2. Let us check it. Three plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. So what did we do? For 3, we simply added the digits, that is got the sum of the digits of the number. It came to 19. And the number which is exactly divisible by 3 just after 19 is 21. So 21 minus 19 is 2. Or what should be added to 19 to get 21? All the same. So was the case with subtraction also. Let us take some more examples. Yes, here is a question for you. Is this number divisible by 4? Of course not. As for divisibility of 4 by 4, these two places need to have zeros, or this number has to be divisible by 4. 4 1 are 4 and 2 is remainder. You can also say, instead of doing this actual division, say 10 4 are 40 and 11 4 are 44. So of course 42 is not in the table of 4, or 42 is not exactly divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. Then what should we do? If the question is find the least number that should be subtracted from 12,642 to make it divisible by 4, simply reduce this number in such a way that it is divisible by 4. 42 minus 2 gives 40, that is divisible by 4. So simply subtract 2. And yes, it is divisible by 4. That is, looking at these two places, we can say. If we asked what should be added to it, the least number, of course. What is the least number that should be added to 12,642 to make it divisible by 4? Again, 42. What is the least number that should be added to 42 to make it divisible by 4? If we add 1, it is 43, that is not divisible. If we add 2, it becomes 44, and 44 is divisible by 4. I hope you are enjoying this thing. Next question. Is this number divisible by 5? Of course no. As for 5, a number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is either 0 or 5. Here it is 3 in our case. So what do we need to do? Simply, if you are to add 2 and you get 5, and it is divisible by 5. If we need to subtract Subtract this and you get 0. Now for 6, is it divisible by 6? No. For 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. As this number has an odd number in its ones place, it is not divisible by 2. So there is no question of it being divisible by 6. So what should we do? Let us try. First, make it even so that it is divisible by 2. 7 plus 1 is 8, 2, 4, 7. Yes, now this number is divisible by 2. Let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 8, that is 21. Yes, and 21 is divisible by 3. So, we have got the correct answer, isn't it? I hope you are enjoying. And some more questions you will get as homework. You will try your hands. I am sure you have learned this divisibility test very well. If in case you find some sort of difficulty, do watch the video. Next type of question, we want to know whether the given number is a factor of another given number or not. I want to know 8 is a factor of 1008 or not. I hope you may recall a factor of a number is its exact divisor. Exact divisor, leaving remainder 0 or no remainder. So what do you need to do? One thing is divide it, actual division. 8 1 ja 8, 2 0, 8 2 ja 16, 4 8, 8 6 ja 48. But it takes a bit more time. We have learned divisibility test. Why don't we apply it? For 8 we had learned these 3 places should have either zeros on them or these 3 places should form a number which is divisible by 8. Let us try. 0 0 8 by 8. 8 0 ja 0, gone. 8 0 ja 0, gone. 8 1 ja 8. And you will enjoy recalling 0 0 8 is simply 8. So instead of doing all this, why don't we say 8 divided by 8 gives 1? That is, 8 is divisible by 8. So by simply looking at the number, you can say, sir, this is divisible by 8. Because these 2 places have 0 and the digit at one's place is divisible by 8. In our next video, we will learn some more applications of divisibility test when we will be writing the factors of the given number. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much.